Hey there, Alex here. I want to start by saying that this is not a review of the Pixel 3, and I probably won't be doing one anytime soon. The reason is pretty much stated in the title of this video. I lost the Pixel 3 OLED lottery. Here's the deal. Shortly after the release of the Pixel 3 in the US, I started noticing posts on Reddit talking about uneven tint on their Pixel 3's display. Most folks were describing a pinkish and greenish tint on their screen, and with photo evidence. I didn't think much of it initially, but as time went by, the reports just keeps piling up. That got me a little worried, of course, but considering there are even more folks out there who are happy with their Pixel 3, including the amount of glowing reviews that it received, I thought my chances were still pretty good. So I was still really looking forward to getting my very own Pixel 3 that I pre-ordered on the 10th of October. Which brings us to the 1st of November, the launch of the Pixel 3 in Singapore. Imagine my disappointment when I booted up my Pixel 3 and immediately saw the same display issue that others have encountered. It might not show up as well on video, but it's definitely there. Let me show you the difference more clearly. Using Photoshop's eyedropper tool, you can clearly see how uneven it actually is. The top is a bit more pink and the bottom part a little more green. Here's another example comparing it with the Pixel 2. Both of them are using the same exact wallpaper. Normally, I would just blame it on my own rotten luck and just get it replaced, but having seen so many reports of people getting bad displays and almost no one complaining about this issue on the Pixel 3 XL, I feel like it's a little more common than it should be. Anyway, this is the reason why I've decided not to keep the phone and why I won't be doing a full review of the Pixel 3 at this point in time. You know the saying, the deeper the love, the deeper the pain? I'm a self-professed Pixel fanboy, so you could say that I'm just a little too bummed out by this experience. That might change eventually once I feel lucky enough, or maybe I'll get a Pixel 3 XL instead. But what I'm hoping is that the folks at Google knows about this issue already, and they will try to improve the consistency of these LG displays. I'm not discounting the fact that there are plenty of users who are enjoying and loving their Pixel 3. I just feel like that should be the way for everyone who buys this phone, not just those who are lucky enough to get a perfect looking screen. Even with the limited amount of time I spent with the Pixel 3, I can definitely see what those happy users are talking about. This is an awesome phone. On top of all the minor hardware improvements that it received, I can tell you that you're getting one of the best Android experiences around. I can also tell you that if you have similar tastes as I do, the Pixel 3 has the best cameras on a phone for still photography. Combine that with improved design and hardware all around, it's not hard to imagine how good this phone could be. It has some issues for sure, and XDA has a pretty comprehensive list of it, but most of them seems to be fixable via software updates. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. For now, I'm just going to stick with my trusty Pixel 2 with its Samsung display. Thanks for watching whatever this is. As always, drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for more content in the future. If you lost the OLED lottery as well with the Pixel 3, do leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks again, and see you guys on the next one.